This is the factory storage. Let's go inside to have a run.现在有客户吗？越南。This is the storage for small accessories. Ah, it's locked.你帮我打开一下。没来钥匙。
现在刚开始。
这是的。刚开始啊？
不，我的意思是，我是刚开始进客户。
我
等会儿如果有真实客户，我给你发钉钉有评论的话。
好的，好。This is the storage of small accessories. Now let's go inside to have a look. This is the wheel for the belt. This is the T-joint. This is the small pipes used to connect the valves. Small elbow pipes. Different products, different accessories with different size are put in different places. Yeah, this is the one corner of our storage. This is the glass used to see inside of the tank. Look, all stainless steel. This is a screw, bolts and nuts, different types. Look at this one. This is a big one. This one is 8.8 grade. I think this bolt is used in front of the feeding door of the reactor, because this one is very strong and can bear high temperature. And also have the big one have 12 grade. 12 grade is the highest grade. See the big one. Here are the small ones. This is the flange. Different size of flanges. And on the top floor, you can see the second floor. That is for motors and gearbox, reducer. Yeah. Now let's go into the workshop to see the production of pyrolysis machine. But before that, let's see this graphite packing. Many customers want to buy the graphite packing locally, but they cannot get very good quality. Here, the graphite packing we're used is the highest grade. Inside has this blue. The graphite packing, if you want to know how to choose, you can contact us. Because in the market now have many different types of graphite packing. The low quality is not good when you use it in the reactor. When it's high temperature, the graphite packing will become very hard, and then later will have leakage. But for higher grade one, insides have steel wire, and after high temperature, the graphite packing will become more tighten and more stronger. This is a good quality. So if you don't know how to choose, you can contact with us, and we will show you and tell to you how to choose a good quality graphite packing. Now this one we see is our 25-ton semi-continuous pyrolysis machine. This one is a 15-ton fully continuous pyrolysis machine. It's a smaller one with 15-ton capacity. This is our 3-ton small unit. It just puts directly inside one container. Here, mostly are 15-ton batch type pyrolysis machine. And this one is the 15-ton semi-continuous machine. This reactor now is the distillation machine reactor. Welcome our new customers. And now you are in the live showroom of Doing Group for the continuous machine production. Let me show you from the beginning how to make our continuous reactor. Firstly, when we bought the plate, we put it here. This is the plasma cutting machine. It's automatically cutting. When our engineer inserts the CAD drawing to the machine computer, it controls this machine to cut the plate automatically. It's cut according to the CAD drawing. After cutting, we'll deliver this finished plates to different teams. Different teams use different plates to make different parts of the machine. Now they start working. The, now cutting is this shape, and we'll see the cutting result. With the automatic cutting, we can see the cutting is very precise. It's very smooth. So this can guarantee the welding will be in good quality. This is also after cutting. Now we come to our topic, the continuous machine. After cutting, this finished cutting plate will deliver to here to make the insulation cover, and to that place is for a reactor welding. Now let's see this team. This team specially make insulation cover. You can see here we have 3 teams. 3 teams can work at the same time. This team now is making the semi-continuous insulation cover. This team is making the fully continuous. This is a 50-ton fully continuous pyrolysis machine insulation cover. You can see 2 covers. Actually, these 2 covers will join together to make it into one. One 50-ton continuous machine, total length is around 26 meters. So we need to join 2 parts together. Also, this one is our fast type insulation cover. The 3 teams here in this area, especially making insulation cover. Now we can see this insulation cover is made of 2 parts. One part is the top part and the lower part. In the lower part, it's including the furnace. The finished furnace is inside. And this fully continuous machine is indirect heating. Here is used to connect with the burners. See, here is for the gas burner or oil burner, and the small one is for the syngas burner. You can see inside is this is the furnace. Burners burn inside the furnace, and only hot air is used to heating reactor. And we can see inside of this insulation cover, it's made of brick. This brick is a light, very light quantity, very lightweight. And between the bricks, how to connect the bricks? This is just or a special connection material. It's not normal cement. We see it closely. Let us see. Look, it's very small thing. In this way, the total thickness of this insulation cover is 35 centimeters. So totally 6 6 layers insulation, including this steel plate, and inside have another layer of glass fiber, and outside is a layer of the light fiber cement, and then is another layer of a brick. Outside, here outside will be another layer of decoration plates. This is not finished yet. Outside will be a decoration layer. And inside the decoration layer, we have another layer of fiberglass. Then we can guarantee the cooling, the insulation effect is very good. And outside, we have tested the temperature outside, the temperature here, after around 10 days working, temperature here is only 34 degrees. This machine is made for United States customer. This is another team. This team now is making this is aluminum plastic pyrolysis machine. Firstly, it's like make a building. Firstly, steel structures. First making steel structure, and then outside put a layer of plate. This is the finished the plate. Now the welding is going on to weld this hook. Look, there are a lot of hooks. This hook is used to catch the fiberglass. Continuous reactor. On the top, why on the top we are not use the brick? Because brick is more heavy than this light cement. So on the top side, it's better make it lightweight. Because if it's too heavy, it's not good for the whole structure. This is also our aluminum plastic pyrolysis machine. Now in our factory, we are making 16 sets aluminum plastic pyrolysis machine. See, this pipe is a stainless steel pipe. We also have stainless steel machine for the reactors, usually for oil sludge, and also some aluminum plastic, also some plastic, including acid. Customers like to make a stainless steel reactor. This one is for aluminum plastic. This is the first condenser. After reactor, the first condenser. The stainless steel. Because plastic oil usually It's including some acid. So the pipes directly touch with oil, usually make into stainless steel. This is the stainless steel buffer chamber. This is the same. Now it's making a buffer chamber. Now we come to the manufacturing of the continuous machine reactor manufacturing. This is the 50-ton continuous machine reactor. 1, 2, joined together. One reactor, 26 meters. We can see here, there is a small installation cover. This one is much smaller. It's making now. And later we will see the reactor match with this installation cover. It's a very small reactor. This one is also ordered by the same customer. Hey, it's still there. The continuous reactor. Look, this small reactor. This one is made of 310S stainless steel. This is specially made to make a carbon black deep processing. Welcome our customers. If you are interested in a continuous pyrolysis machine, you can contact with us. And our sales, the professional sales manager will contact with you to introduce you more details about this machine. Or if you want to see more details, you can contact us and we will show you more details one by one. This is the feeding side and the discharge side of the continuous machine. This is our semi-continuous with the plastic pyrolysis machine. The raw material is hot coat garbage. This one will deliver to Sri Lanka. Today, the delivery will go in. And now we are waiting for the truck to load it. This one is also ready to deliver. This our 10-ton capacity oil plant pyrolysis machine. This is for Malaysia. Now this reactor welding is our aluminum plastic pyrolysis machine, 20-ton capacity. This is another one, 15-ton semi-continuous pyrolysis machine. This is our aluminum plastic pyrolysis machine, 20-ton capacity. Another one, semi-continuous machine. This reactor is 15-ton semi-continuous machine. This welding going on is aluminum plastic pyrolysis machine. Like, engineer need to adjust the temperature according to this plate. Actually, the welding of boiler plate and the stainless steel plate is different. So if you want to choose a stainless steel reactor to use, you need to choose or experience the factory, because the stainless steel, when it touch with high temperature, it's much easier out of the shape. So when the welding, it's need a very skillful welder. All of our reactor welding are used automatic welding machine. This another one welding going on. Let's have a look at the welding thing. This one is just a finished welding. Look. Everything looks very beautiful. This is all from the automatic welding machine. But before welding, we need to make a gap between connection of two pipes, cut it, and make here empty. Then fulfill with the welding materials. And then we can make this two plates connect. It's just like one. The welding seam is hard inside. It's solid. See the flange we are using. This is for the aluminum plastic machine, the buffer chamber. When this plant is very thick, this is not easy for the leakage. So if the plant is very thin, it's very easy to have a leakage. But this is also costly. This one thickness at least 40 mm. Let's measure it. We will see the thickness. This is how much? 35 mm. Even this small tank also use automatic welding. Stainless steel. Look, we have seen this welding thing from all around, 360 degrees. Everything is all very beautiful. This is the stainless steel plate. This is for reactor. For some oil sludge material, and for some plastic, all the materials is containing some acids. Usually choose stainless steel plate. In our factory, we have made a lot of stainless steel reactors. Since the welding process of stainless steel is different with the boiler steel, so if you want to choose or stainless steel reactor as from the raw material, you must choose or experienced factory to make it. If without experience, the welding is very difficult. You may have some leakage. This is the workshop for the pyrolysis machine reactor. Now let's go to see another workshop for accessories. This is our whole factory site. This workshop, just now, we have visited this workshop for reactors. This is the automatic feeder, hydraulic pressure feeder. On the top, the sector floor. Look at the green one. This green one are RFP material. It the sulfurization power. On the top, this is a small unit for 100 kilogram capacity. This is testing tower. The material is RFP. So this one is prevent corrosion. You know, for the smoke, usually including some acid. Then, no matter which material you use, which metal, like normal steel, carbon steel, or stainless steel, no matter any steel, the corrosion will happen within 1 year. So at last, we choose this material. This one is corrosion prevent. Here makes all the small tanks. This is water seal device, and oil water separator, and a buffer chamber. All different types are produced here. This is another auto video. This is the distillation machine. This is the buffer chamber of the continuous machine. Here are all the finished products. It's all on the top. Here's storage. In this workshop, when manufacturing finished, we'll put smaller one on the top and a big one in on the ground. Our new customers, welcome to Doing's live show. Today we are in a factory to see the continuous machine production. It's for the first visit. Now here making is the screw conveyor. Today we are delivering plastic pyrolysis machine to Sri Lanka. This is the one truck finished. These machineries are used to make the accessories we are using in a pyrolysis machine. Like this one. This is made from this machine. It's working now. This is the drawing. It's all made according to the drawings. This one is drilling machine. Drilling machine is making holes of blanks and also for the screw. This is the lace. For this, these small accessories can manage about 80% work of our factory. So we no need to take out to another factory to make. We can finish by ourselves. One machine is controlled by one worker. So every day he's making is doing the same work. It's very familiar with the process and familiar with our machine working condition. So this can guarantee the quantity. This is Sri Lanka household garbage machine delivery. Now this one is ready. The other truck will come to deliver the reactor. This is the control panel. We can make different control panels according to customer requirements. So if you have special requirement for the electricity control panel, you can talk to us directly. Also, we can design PLC control system, no matter for the batch type machine or continuous machine. PLC system all available. This is the storage of this workshop. This one welding now is the water tank cooling condenser. We have both pipe condenser and the tank condenser. So if you need any condenser, you can talk to us. We'll make you proposal for different condensers. This is the furnace of batch type and semi-continuous machine. With this one, you no need to make a foundation anymore. We'll make it finished before delivered to you. Now this is making another one. This is the finished condenser of water tank cooling. This one is the auto feeder. The finish the auto feeder. But just now when we see the auto feeder, we didn't see the top side. And just now in the other workshop, we have seen many auto feeders, but we didn't see the top side, because this one is more than the width, more than 2.3 meters, but the container width is 2.3 meters. So in even the biggest container cannot contain this auto feeder. So before delivery, we will separate them into two parts, the top part and the main part. When delivered to your factory, just ask the welder, connect them, it's okay. This is also very simple. This is a control panel of a batch type pyrolysis machine. This one is for China customer. This is our electrician. He is assembling of the control panel. This is our electrical department. Engineer in office who design this process and the flowchart for different components, and give him order, and he will assemble this control panel according to the design. All the control panels we design and made in our factory ourselves. So you have any requirement, you can talk to us. We design according to your requirement. This is the screw conveyor. The screw conveyor of discharge. This one is for my India customer. It's for semi-continuous pyrolysis machine. Discharge carbon black. Every machine when we finish the production, after the QC process, the quality checking, we will have a label put here. This is for Malaysia oil sludge. This is also for Malaysia. This is the inside of the water tank cooling condenser. This side totally have 30 pipes. And we have big pipe and a small pipe all included. At the beginning, because the oil, there's heavy oil. So in the front side, at the beginning, we used the big size pipe. And in the end, since the oil becomes more clean, so in the end, you can see the pipes become smaller. So you can see even always the same water tank cooling condenser, but in different factory use the different design and the different quantity of pipes, different quantity and different size of pipe, but the cooling effect is different. You can see the size. This is a very big tank. That is the finished condensers, the different pipe condensers. This condenser is a tunned pipe condenser. Okay, our new customers. Now you are in the live room of Doing Group. We're checking the production of continuous pyrolysis machine. Today we are making our 50-ton continuous pyrolysis machine in our factory for the United States. This is another customer visit from China. Okay, my customers. Now let's see. Let's go to see the continuous machine again. If the new customers will come late, we can see the production of continuous machine again and show you the details. Welcome our customers. Now we come again to see the continuous machine. The one now we are taking is our 50-ton capacity with the tire pyrolysis machine made for United States. This is the reactor. You can see there are two reactors. Actually, this is the whole one. Two reactors connected together will join into our big one. The capacity is 50 tons per day. It can continuously working for 24 hours, no stop. And continuously working for 1 month. This is a small reactor for carbon black deep processing. The insulation cover. The small one. You can see the thickness of this reactor insulation cover. Look, from here up to here, it's all insulation cover. Look, it's very thick. You can see from this side. So you can imagine the insulation effect. Actually, when the machine is working, continuously working for 10 days, when we measure outside of the insulation cover, temperature is only 34 degrees. For continuous machine, when you choose a continuous machine, there are many factors will affect the machine continuously working. One important factor is the insulation. If when a machine working for 3 or 5 days, it's already very, very hot, and outside people cannot stand by there. This will fail. This cannot working continuously for 1 month or longer time. So this is very important for the insulation cover. Yeah, our customers who is in a live show room now is very lucky. And we can see we are making all layer of insulation. Just now, we have seen the inside layer. Now we are making the outside layer. This is another layer of fiberglass. And after that, outside we'll put for decoration plates. So totally 6 layers. The total thickness is 35 to 40 centimeters. Even working continuously for 10 days, the temperature outside is only 34 degrees. If you want to choose for a continuous machine, we sincerely suggest that you come to visit our factories. The real machine on site. This is the high density fiberglass. When I say it's high density or low density, you can touch it, and when touch it, it's very hard. That is high density. The insulation effect is very good. Low density, the fiber is very loose. Even when you see it's very thick, but when press it becomes very thin. That is a low density fiberglass. This insulation cover will be done, I think, around 2 days. Then after 2 days, I will take more pictures. So if customers are interested, you can contact with us, and we will share you more pictures. We have the finished one. I will share with you some pictures. Customers can see from my phone. This is the finished one. Look. After 2 or 3 days, you will see the whole installation cover like this. It's this one. After a few days, will be same as this one. So we sincerely invite customers come to visit our factory. The real production. Okay, customers, we have to say bye-bye. Today, our live show will stop here. So if you have any questions or you are interested in a continuous pyrolysis machine, you can contact with us. Our professional sales manager will contact you for more details and will introduce to you one by one. So follow us and follow us. We have live show every week. If you want to see anything in our factory, you can talk to us and we will show you timely. Thank you. Thank you for all of our customers. Today we have to say bye-bye.